mkuu wa sheria, mimi kuna mambo ambayo lazima sasa niseme na kimombo kidogo. I have to speak this in English because we have a government which we have to protect. And it has, you know, we have a very serious platform, a very premium platform called the National Assembly. As the former member of parliament has said, the only institution which can be able to change laws and come up with laws which can be of monetary effect and others is the National Assembly. The Attorney General, we know the talks are happening at Bomas of Kenya. But these talks, whatever the agenda in those talks, can be done at the National Assembly under the Senate. Because those talks are geared towards selfish interests of one person called Raila Odinga. Whether it is elections, that is why the Attorney General, I have forwarded an amendment of Election Act 2011, Article 24 and Article 44 of the Election Act, so that we are able to automate the election process of the Republic of Kenya by ensuring we have different definition of what a ballot paper is. We ensure we will not be using the ballot boxes to do our elections. We be scanning automatically or digitally the ballot paper which every Kenyan casts. And this can be done if we amend Election Act Article 24 or Section 24 of the Election Act and also Section 44 of the Election Act, Mr. Speaker, the Attorney General of the Republic. So this issue of negotiations, we have nothing to negotiate. The people of the Republic of Kenya made a decision on 9th of August last year, and we know who is the president. The president is none other than William Samoei. So one of the agendas in those talks, we ask the first agenda is to cut off the talks in Bomas of Kenya. Kenyans have more serious issues to deal with. We have a cabinet which is working day and night to ensure the life of the people of Kenya become bearable by the cost of living coming down. That is what the government is doing on a daily basis. Kwa hivyo sisi, mkuu wa sheria, sisi tunaomba wewe kupitia ofisi yako, ambia rais, hiyo mazungumzo ambayo iko Bomas hatutaki, itupiliwe mbali. Raila Odinga haina maana yoyote hiyo mazungumzo. Raila Odinga ndiye kiongozi ya opposition. Kazi yake ikue ni kusema yale ambaye anaona ikuwa mambaya ya serikali. Na sisi kazi yetu ni kuendesha serikali. Kama Wakenya watamuunga mkono 2027 pass akuwe rais. Lakini kwa sasa tuko na rais, na rais ni mmoja. Mambo ya kusumbua kila rais, ukasumbua Kibaki, ukasumbua Moi, ukasumbua Uhuru. Sasa unataka kusumbua Ruto, hatutaitikia. Hiyo tumekataa. Ama namna gani? Mnakataa hiyo? Hiyo mnakataa? Yes, Raila ambiwe sisi watu ya Mbeere North, hiyo tumekataa. Sisi watu ya Embu County, hiyo tumekataa. Tunataka governor wetu sisi Mbarire arundi hapa Embu afanyie watu ya Embu kazi. Mambo ya kuweka yeye huko Nairobi ati njuu ya Raila Odinga, Raila kwenda kabisa akae huko Mbondo.